You know, the headline says why bottled water is one of the biggest scams of the century. You can imagine that? Look at that. Plastic bottled water invented in 1960. Bottled water now more popular than soda.
Really?
Which is good, but the soda companies are the biggest producers of bottled water. And the global, read that,
The
is
global
worth
bottled water
300
market is
billion.
worth 300 billion. We're in the wrong industry, sir.
You know, from when Mr. Mio started,
You should have.
Bertis bottled water, BBB.
BBB, Baba.
1 million plastic bottles are bought
Bertis
around the
Baba.
world.
Baku, like that. I love it.
No, seriously.
Seriously though, $300 billion industry.
They said the obsession began in the 70s, right? They said it didn't take off in America until 1977, following an estimated 2.5 to 5 million advertising campaign by the French brand Perrier. And now, even in Jamaica, how many different bottled water companies do we have?
So many. And you can customize it and have your own, now, you know? You know that, right? You can have your own bottled water.
And you can, so many rivers and streams and everybody, Blue Mountain.
I also hear we have the best water, or one of the best. We have, I think, one of the best in the world when it comes to our water.
All right, well, there you go. That was quick and easy, but we have news in 5.
Hold on, already? Well, don't I have 25 seconds to take a drink of water?
You want a drink of water?
But can I tell you?
I'll get it for you.
I think we should.
Oh, you don't want me to get it for you.
Baba?
You know,
I don't want you to poison me with your
Shane
water.
has news in 5.
Wait a minute.
Oh, shit.